Hey guys, Andrew here, and today I'm bringing a review of the latest version of NordVPN. NordVPN is a top-level VPN, but I do realize that it may not be suitable for everyone, and so I'll be looking into everything including the good and the bad so that you know exactly what you need to know before you make your decision about NordVPN. Now, starting with speed, keep in mind that speed tests may differ from one ISP to another. It also depends on your location and how far you are from the servers you're connecting to. But even if your speed drops by 50%, that's actually still acceptable when connecting to servers that are on the other side of the globe. And with NordVPN's true WireGuard protocol, NordLynx, your speed drops will be maintained within the 10 to 20% range, and at times, even below 10% depending on the server. Essentially, NordLynx made NordVPN arguably the fastest VPN in the industry, and so, performance-wise, NordVPN is most certainly at the top of its game. And if you're a gamer looking for a gaming VPN, NordVPN will perform very well as long as you connect to the VPN server that's closest to the gaming server. In terms of streaming and torrenting, Nord makes it so that you can do these tasks on any server without having to pick a specialized server. You also get P2P optimized servers. Now for streaming, Nord can also unblock many Netflix libraries, Hulu, BBC, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, and more. In terms of the logging policy, NordVPN promises to not collect any logs, and they prove their claims in the third-party independent audit reports that they've conducted throughout the years. Nord also operates RAM-only servers, which basically means that there are no physical hard drives linked to the servers, which leaves little to no room for data to be stored in said servers. So overall, NordVPN's privacy policy is one of the best in the industry, and the independent audit reports do back up their no logs claims, so you can be sure that your data is in safe hands when using NordVPN. Now, getting into the security features of NordVPN, Nord does have a good variety of advanced options, with protocols like OpenVPN and NordLynx as mentioned earlier, and other features such as the kill switch, which cuts your internet connection should the VPN connection disconnect for any reason, as well as split tunneling, which lets you decide which apps are included or exempt from the VPN tunnel. Though, keep in mind that this is a feature currently not available for Mac users. You get custom DNS for an easy way to change your DNS. For example, you could use custom DNS servers for more parental controls on your router. Nord also offers DNS and IPv6 leak protection. And having tested Nord for potential leaks, as expected, there were no leaks whatsoever. Additional features include specialty servers, such as dedicated IP servers, double VPN, which encrypts your internet traffic twice for double the encryption, obfuscated servers, which serve as servers that function in censorship-heavy countries if you're having trouble connecting to the regular servers of NordVPN, Onion over VPN for Tor users, and the previously mentioned P2P servers. You also get threat protection, which blocks ads, trackers, and protects your device from harmful files, acting like a mini antivirus. You also get the recently added MeshNet feature, which allows you to share files or get remote access over the encrypted network of NordVPN with people of your choosing. You can also host virtual LAN parties. Another great bonus feature is Dark Web Monitor, which will keep an eye out for leaked data that's linked to your email address, password, contacts, or personal details. So you can tell there are plenty of features for users to tinker with, and each one has its own utility and can be very useful depending on what you're doing. Now, NordVPN has about 5,400 VPN servers in 59 countries, and while other providers like ExpressVPN and Surfshark have plenty more locations, the 59 countries of Nord are still enough for most users. Compatibility-wise, NordVPN works with all kinds of devices, including streaming sticks and smart TVs. Nord will allow users to secure up to 6 devices per subscription, which is just about the industry standard, not to mention that the UI, in my opinion, has the best design out of all the VPNs that I've used. And I do appreciate the recent UI update, which made everything look much better, including the long-awaited dark mode for the Windows app. Now, if you're interested in getting NordVPN, check the description below. I'll include the best deals I can find, to drop the price even more. And of course, you are able to get a refund if you don't find the service suitable with their 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, one reason why Nord may not be suitable for you is the fact that split tunneling is not available on Mac. And another reason you may not want Nord is if you want more advanced settings, like more personalized control over your protocols and what encryption methods they use. And while this is not something I'd recommend for most people, if you're a more advanced user and this is an important feature for you to have, then you'll probably want to choose a different VPN. But besides that, I think NordVPN is an incredibly well-rounded VPN that offers a whole lot of value for the money. You can guarantee a buffer-free streaming experience. You've got arguably the best speeds in the industry, a solid no-logs VPN service with extra security layers and options for even more privacy, which also makes it ideal to use for torrenting. And then, as an added bonus, Nord is also super easy to use for beginners and has some advanced features for the more seasoned VPN users as well. So ultimately, Nord is still a top performer. It's a VPN that does nearly everything right without charging an arm and a leg for it, and the constant updates are always keeping NordVPN very polished and armed with new features that make NordVPN even more useful and interesting. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.